Hi everyone, Marco here with SkyCiv, and today I'll be showing you how to use the non-rectangular area loads. Now this is the newest addition to the S3D area loads suite. Now, in older versions, we could only apply area loads to rectangular areas on our S3D models. However, this new feature solves this problem as we can now apply area loads to any shapes. So to use it, we click area loads under the loads, and we hit this drop down menu right here under type, and we select non-rectangular. So up until here, it's been very similar to applying any sort of area load that we've done in the past. Now, the only difference is we are taking in members instead of nodes, as you could see in, say, one way, for example, or any other previous area loads that we've used in the past. Now, everything else is still the same here, such as our pressure magnitude. That's still a required input, and we have the same load directions as well. So global X, global Y, global Z, and your local plane. So it's important to note that every member in the member ID list must be connected to another member in the member ID list on both sides of that member. Now I know that might have been a little confusing, but what I exactly mean by that is the members in the list must form a closed shape. So as an example, I could input 7, 10, 5, and 8 as they form a closed surface. However, I could not input 7, 8, 5 as that would not be closed. As node 4 here does not connect to any other member in that list, neither does 8. So for this demonstration, I'm going to input every member that's normal to the y-axis. So a quick way to go ahead and do that is select all these members, go through your area loads again, and just double click in this member ID box, and that'll populate that with all our highlighted members. You could input that manually if you want. That's just a quick way to input those in. So we'll set our pressure to -1 just for simplicity, and we'll keep it in the global y-axis as well. So hitting apply, you could see that it has applied to this, to that surface that we've specified. Now we can also toggle on our equivalent distributed loads similar to our other load types as well. So turning that on, you can see how that's being applied to those members right there. And clicking that, you could see that those equivalent dead loads are in fact equaling our area times our pressure, meaning that this variance check is checking out. That's at 0%, right? So what's going through the solver is matching the area load you meant to apply. So from here, your model is now ready to be passed through the solver for analysis if this would be the only area load you'd wish to apply. So that's basically how the new non-rectangular area loads function works. Can't wait for you to try this out, and we'd love to hear your feedback.